In a conclusive victory against the perpetrators of Pahalgam, Indian Army's Chinar Corps has gunned down the terrorists, bringing the expectations of the nation to a closure. This operation that was carried out on Mahadev Peaks reaped results on 28th July as the Home Minister apprised the House about the success of the operation.
ऑपरेशन महादेव में सुलेमान उर्फे फैजल जट, अफगान और जिब्रान, 3 आतंकवादी सेना, सीआरपीएफ और जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस के संयुक्त अभियान में ऑपरेशन महादेव में मारे गए। और माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, ये जो सुलेमान है, ए श्रेणी का लश्कर तोयबा का कमांडर था। पहलगाम हमले में और गगनगिर आतंकी हमले में वो लिप्त था। इसके ढेर सारे सबूत हमारी एजेंसियों के पास है। अफगान ए श्रेणी का लश्कर तैयबा का आतंकवादी था और जिब्रान भी ए ग्रेड आतंकवादी था। और माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं सदन को और सदन के माध्यम से पूरे देश को बताना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने बैसरन घाटी में हमारे प्रवासियों को, नागरिकों को मारा था, ये तीनों आतंकवादी ये थे और तीनों मारे गए।
A very detailed joint operation was carried out to find these terrorists. Republic reports from Baisaran Valley in Kashmir explaining how the terrorists stayed inside the Indian territory and took refuge.
Baisaran attack led to the killing of 26 tourists in Pahalgam, but today we are showing you where from the conspiracy was hatched and how this entire attack unfolded, where the people who supported, who were harboring these terrorists and providing food and shelter before the attack, where those people were living, where those terrorists were living. In fact, I'll ask my VJ Mubashir to show you. This is the dock, the temporary shelter that you see in the forest zone. This is the Baisaran village, and exactly from this spot, it was just 4 kilometers away. The terrorists had taken shelter in this dock. This is a temporary shelter, and they were provided food, they were provided shelter. This dock belongs to Parvez, the same one Parvez who is in remand with the NIA along with Bashir. This dock belongs to Parvez, and NIA has proved that it was Bashir as well as Parvez who provided shelter to these Pakistanis who got killed in Operation Mahadev. They were staying here.
In an exclusive coverage on the ground, we found how Operation Mahadev was carried out by Indian Armed Forces when the scar of Pahalgam was avenged.
A significant and a successful operation of joint forces here in Dachigam. There is a huge deployment of security forces on all these fringes, on all these tracks, because ultimately the Dachigam is connected with Avantipora, and Avantipora gets connected with Anantnag. Anantnag, where also the Pahalgam terror attack had taken place in the month of July. This time, Srinagar police was quite alert along with the Indian Army. They didn't allow these terrorists to move out and finally neutralize them just outside the hideout. Although in this operation, very important weapons like M4 carbine, which is an American-built weapon, had been recovered along with the other rifles, and also 17 grenades.
Officials have reported multiple weapons that were found with these terrorists. Have a look from the ground at Lidwa's Mulnar forest in Harwan, where these terrorists were hiding.
Right now we are at the same location where a joint security forces conducted Operation Mahadev, and you can see here in the visuals these are the dense forests where security forces have conducted Operation Mahadev, where highly trained 3 Lashkar terrorists were neutralized by the joint security forces. Also you can see here in the visuals this is the location, and these are the trains where we have seen that in the operation that the 3 highly trained terrorists were neutralized. Also we have seen that the US made and AK series weapons were also recovered from the killed terrorists, and you can see these are the dense forests where the security forces received the credible intelligence and technical based inputs that there is a presence of some terrorists in these dense forests in the Herwan in the central Kashmir, Srinagar. And at the same time we have seen that the joint security forces has conducted the operation not only from the single side, but we have seen that the multiple operations were carried to neutralize these terrorists in the Kashmir Valley.
Speaking to the locals on how they viewed Operation Mahadev after Operation Sindoor, this is what they had to say.
हर एक को पता चलेगा कि उनको ख़त्म किया और टूरिस्ट तो वैसे ही मतलब सोचेंगे कि हम वापस आ जाएंगे, क्योंकि इन कातलों को तो बख्शना ही नहीं था, क्योंकि जिन्होंने बेगुनाह लोगों का खून किया है तो वो तो एक ना एक दिन तो वो खून तो आपको पता है आवाज़ तो देता ही है, और गलत तो गलत ही है.
Baba Amarnathji's blessings are going on. So Baba Amarnathji's blessings have crushed all those militants, those who were involved at Pahalgam. You know, like the hospitality which we wanted to show them, and they know the hospitality of Kashmiris. Now they believe us, they will again come back, and we will always welcome from the core of our heart.
Republic spoke to Tanveer Sadiq, who is National Conference MLA from the Zadabal constituency in Srinagar, who put a staunch view against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism in the valley.
I still remember that dark day when the event unfolded on the 22nd of April, and I remember when I heard that there was an attack on tourists. The first reaction was, of course, shock. But then as numbers came in, with the casualty figures going up with every minute, it started from 5 to 10, then 15, 20, and then when we realized the amount, the scale of actually the destruction through that, it was, I think, not only shocking, it was something that Jammu and Kashmir had never seen. And for every Kashmiri, it was a personal loss, a personal something that could not be actually mentioned in words. And I remember everybody across the length and breadth of Kashmir came out, and I think this was the first time that in Jammu and Kashmir people came out willingly and said that not in my name, and that was something that was unprecedented. Nobody was concerned about the tourists, the tourism sector stakeholders were not concerned about their empty rooms. They were not concerned about what would affect this. They were just devastated with the amount of destruction that thing caused that day.
Home Minister Amit Shah explaining to the House the agony of the family members of the victims had staged their expectations from the government without mincing any words.
कल जो ऑपरेशन हुआ, इसमें हमारे निर्दोष नागरिकों को मारने वाले तीनों आतंकी मौत के घाट उतार दिए। आज मैं सदन को बताते हुए बहुत खुश हूं। मोदी जी ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कर आतंकवादियों को जिन्होंने आतंकवादियों को भेजा था, उनके आकाओं को जमीन में मिलाने का काम किया था। सेना और सीआरपीएफ ने वो आतंकवादियों को भी समाप्त कर दिया। जब ये घटना हुई, दूसरे दिन इनके परिजनों को मिला था। 6 दिन की शादी वाली बच्ची विधवा होकर मेरे सामने खड़ी थी। आज तक मैं वो दृश्य नहीं भूल सकता। मगर आज सारे परिजनों को मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि मोदी जी ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर से भेजने वालों को भी मारा, और हमारे सुरक्षा बलों ने जिनको भेजा था उनको भी मारा, और एक ऐसा सबक सिखाया है कि आने वाले कई दिनों तक कोई ऐसी हिम्मत नहीं कर पाएगा।
Prime Minister Modi had warned the masterminds of Pahalgam massacre from the soil of Bihar on April 24th.
Today, from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve.
And Prime Minister Modi has done it. In a clinically surgical operation, first India took out the 9 terror bases of Pakistan. Then, as Pakistan dared to retaliate, we took out their 11 airfields. And now India has taken out the perpetrators of Pahalgam, who had the audacity of killing our people on the basis of religion. As these terrorists meet their fate at the hands of our brave forces, a deep sense of relief is felt across the country. For the service of our soldiers, we bow our head in respect and gratitude.